You know those nights when you want something hearty, but the clock is ticking? This sausage and fresh tomato, casarecce, is your answer. 1 pan, 20 minutes. No jar sauce needed. Cook the casarecce in salted boiling water till 1 minute shy of the package instruction for al dente. While that's going, sauté the homemade Italian sausage in 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium-high heat until browned and 90% done. Remove it. Same pan, onion and garlic, sauté for a few minutes. Follow with tomatoes and a sprinkle of salt. Sausage goes back in. Taste the sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle fresh parsley. Drain casarecce right into the pan and mix. Fold in leftover mozzarella. Ladle into a serving bowl. Grate Parmesan. Garnish with parsley and EVOO. Every bite carries that fresh, balanced lift. Fennel from the sausage. Brightness from the tomatoes. It's ready when you are. Who's trying this Wednesday? Hit like if you are in. Subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders.